plane just crash with the coke.
What is happening to our people and their hearts?
Shut a man body there.
Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. Now let's get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Intence Ashtray. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So, dancehall artist Intence, he dropped the music video for one of his recent songs called Pikachu, and it got many people talking because in the opening scene of the video, he can be seen using, you know, like him have the cigarette in him and him actually kind of empty out the look ash in one of the video vixen's mouth. Like, see it here, just in case you don't missed it.
Fresh no fuck chain and drip me just blade. My brown in mouth me use for my ashtray.
What is?
Alright, so since then now, many people have been taking online. I'm not gonna say many, probably one and two little. I'm not gonna really call the name right now, but I can insert one of Miss Kitty's very colorful type and descriptions of people who don't really use them brain most of the time, have been following Intence's speed and posting videos with somebody putting ashtray in their mouth.
My brown in mouth me use for my ashtray. No bother size up, I just my by my last name.
You look so dumb right now.
Okay, so that is it. Look like there is a new ashtray challenge going on. Burritos, my name not forgot ask you, because I know so more intelligent than that, than for take up on yourself and make man or whosoever go show like, you know, empty them cigarette in the mouth. But let me know, just in case one of you want to try, would you do this and post it on social media? Sound off below. Number 9, Crime J.A. Me pushing wing. Alright, so burritos, many people have been talking and, you know, watching the news and seeing that there has been quite a surge in crime. Now, me don't know if the one bag of state of emergency has been, what am I going to say, it not work. It clearly is not working because these gunmen, these criminals, all they're doing now is abiding by the curfew measures and just doing them like a criminal activity during the daytime. Like, we saw what happened to the lady, what's her name again, Miss Garwood, the NCB employee who was gunned down while attending a church service in Trelawney. And so there has been the what you call it, the attack on the homeless people recently. I think even, you know, I think something happened in Clarendon where a couple was gunned down as well. And so I try to wonder like what is going to be done, because we have to do something different right now, because whatever the plan and the strategy was, clearly it is not working. Now, some time ago, saw that Prime Minister Andrew Holness, while he was in Gordon House and, you know, doing one of the speech to them, he made a public plea talking about, you know, how he's feeling as it relates to the increase in criminal activity. Take a look.
What is happening to our people and their hearts? That a family can't find it within themselves to settle their disputes without dismembering a member of their family. That a man pull a prank on your bike and you take up your gun and 6 people dead as a result of that. What is in your heart, man?
But yeah, that's fair enough. But, you know, Mr. Brogard, at this point in time, that's a nice like, speech and we kind of empathize with you. But need a little bit something more from you. Like, we have enough Jamaicans right now on social media that are saying that word for word and pleading, you know, to the nation. We don't really want to see that's nice, you know, but we really want to see that from you right about now. Right about now, we are looking for the like, collaboration there. We're not in Sutherland, they do.
Action.
Yeah, man, so burritos, let me know what you think can be done to really help the crime situation in Jamaica. And please, say more than prayer. Alright? Sound off below. Number 8, L.A. Lewis on stage. My mental illness. Oh God, oh, that kind of sound like a bit shady because I talk about L.A. Lewis, but I promise you, it really wasn't. So, L.A. Lewis now the 7-star general. And apparently he is now some like a chief of a compound. Some me never want to know if I some head dopey conqueror of the Maroon Village. I do not know, but him have some special title. But that's not what I talk about. So he was a recent guest on stage with Winford Williams, and Winford brought him on there to basically talk because I think what happened. Remember the story, you know, I don't really follow it up, but something happened where would have caused L.A. Lewis for end up reach a court, you know, and basically the judge kind of asked for a little, what's that word called? A psychiatric evaluation. That is what the judge ordered for L.A. Lewis, and L.A. Lewis is not having it. So he came on stage to basically go, you know, share feelings on that action.
Speaking of Winford, I wouldn't know why a judge would order the paramount chief of the Maroon to take something like that, because automatically she's not a doctor, you understand? And then on a fundamental level now, as in the word of Marcus Garvey, Shakespeare, when you go into an arena, like I went into the judge quarters, she's not going to expect a person to teach her the Constitution rights or the United Nations rights or the UN drip. Or a lot of these people say, they might say,
this argument you're making in court, why the judge ordered you to do this evaluation?
Yeah, that was the thing, because I told the judge that she have no ruling over us. We're above her. In 1961,
yes,
the Constitution was written in...
How dare you laugh about it and make meme after meme and retweet and this and that and make it a joke? Because this behavior is not normal, it's not okay.
Okay, all right, okay. L.A. Lewis, L.A. Lewis, him and the Queen, a friend from a long time, from what people fill up with them used to go and go buy pink milk and bulla. So I guess we just have to agree. But L.A., if you find yourself in this problem and you and the Queen is so close, you know, just link her and just make 2 calls to Prime Minister and everything just kind of good for you if you're not that close. L.A. Lewis. So people, let me know in the comments, do you think that's something kind of off, like him have a little loose screw in him head? People, I want to hear, because what if time we are talking about L.A. Lewis and people love the gimmicks, but people actually, as you say, him actually have business. So him can't be as crazy as though we think he is. Maybe teach us all for just the theatrics and fun. But let me know, you think same cool for Cocoa Pops or nah? Sound off below. Number 7, parents pick J.A. My word, my sentence, my fuse photo lab. Alright, so these, I'm going to show a couple of videos now, and they emerge on TikTok. If you don't know on TikTok, make sure you jump on TikTok, because TikTok is where the party is at these days. So, these social media, I guess, people, influencers, I don't know if you call them, but like, did a TikTok showing how Jamaican parents used to take them pictures back in the day. So the first one is with this brother, Pre. I know, check out this one with this young lady. So, Berry does let me know which one of these videos was your favorite. Sound off below. Number 6, the angel walk. Me Naomi Campbell. Alright, so Beenie Man one time wife did. No, let me just not do that. This is not fair. So the first lady of, is she going by that again? The first lady of dancehall? Or is she going by a different name? So the angel, Miss OnlyFans, she, you know, tried out a couple challenges recently, because you know she's very festive and follow the things on TikTok and other social media platforms. So she did try the busty challenge, but it never did really agree with her, you know, according to the comments them. It was a really fair place for shine. But it looked like the angels handlers them kind of get a little word and tell her, say, Mama, we have to find one challenge now what's suited for you, because you know that as the girl that can walk, she walk. You know how much time the angel walk on Knoxford Boulevard? She is going to walk anywhere that people put her. So she was given the walk challenge, and this is how she did. Pre. Alright. I'm gonna give you a clap for the one here, the angel. You definitely did good. You never really work out so 100 with the bossy challenge, but you said the walk challenge here, they made fit you, because you always hear man we say you stay be a model, and that a model never retires, and these legs look like they will just carry you into retirement. So big up yourself, the angel, and yeah, we can't wait to see what next Instagram post on social media. You love the Berry does sound up. Number 5, Teejay Skinny, Miss Slim Fast. So Ramesh Entertainment artist Teejay has recently, got many people wondering what is his weight loss secret, because he has been dropping pictures that show him, looking very, very skinny. Because, I honestly feel like this is just all part of Ramesh kind of thing, because Ramesh look like him is somebody who very serious with the image and branding. It seemed like, say, Ding Dong already have that kind of put together with him and Ravers Clavers. I ain't have to ask about Shenseea, she have a little thing, sort out. And it look like, say, him just say, yo, TJ, you are the final product we need for kind of, have a little finish to you. So TJ kind of slim down now. Nobody up until now do not know what is the secret. I kind of just feel say him just probably about weed a little bit more often, because I feel like, we don't want them thing there where you tend to have one like a certain skinniness. You ever see like a really overweight person will lift on weed yet? I bet I can't find one. So, it look like say I enjoy slim life now. Look like say him just I get to do the things that I never normally could have do before, like this. Yeah. So alright TJ, you're living your best life and wish you all the best. So let me know, Burritos, what do you think TJ has been doing to lose all this weight? Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done. Before the girls them sexy and young. Run along, sing along. Well then, big up the friend.
Alright, Burritos, so welcome to the big up segment. So first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up, international superstar Shaggy, and having a next commercial. Like Shaggy just fee money is not normal. You see all people that talk about who are run dancehall and who are run Jamaica is Shaggy and Bolt, Bob Marley and them people there, the money tall. So he actually has a new ad that he's featured in along with Mila Kunis and Ashton Kutcher, and it is all for the Chegger, why am I gonna forget this up now? Cheetos, the Cheetos brand. Also, Burritos, I have to go and big up myself because I have a second channel and it is called The Duttyberry Uncut. It's my more personal channel where I talk about myself and, do my little vlogs. And one of my recent vlogs was a Portland trip / a little bit of condom hunting. You might be wondering what that is, but you can go and check it out right here, so, and it will be in the description. So make sure you go over and subscribe. Thank you very much.
You're hungry, what you feel for? You normally come to Island Grill?
You know, that 2 times I ever got Island Grill.
Genuine, not because people are pay for it.
Yeah.
And they are pay for it, that means so we have to just order off everything after the menu.
Everything very.
But I'm going to try to see if I can push the limit so I can get food. Get food for breakfast tomorrow. And
That's exactly what we gonna do.
So it's going like if you normally buy 2 pieces of chicken, you just say 4 you want, you just say, you try and you squeeze a little extra, and then you get the, when people are buy for you, then you get the side order them you never normally get. So when you buy the food now, you just say, yo, you want extra fries, like plantain, some corn, and them look at something we never normally get. And this at the time when this is what you do.
Sure.
Number 4.
Skillibeng, Coke. My word, my sentence. So, dancehall artist Skillibeng has, once again, is at the top of YouTube's trending because of his release for the single called Coke. Now, Skillibeng look like say him write the song here in just like a couple hours, and him go shoot the video in probably less time than that because, the little Rocky Point crash will happen in a Clarendon with the plane over there, and it look like say everybody and their mother have access to it. This thing do not have any, what you call it, no zinc fence or no yellow tape around it. It is right now a tourist attraction, and Skillibeng seems that he make use of that and went there to shoot the music video for the song Coke, and in it he can be heard basically, I guess, kind of alluding to what most people did feel say happened.
Plane just crash with the Coke. Get the Coke knife boat. Extension in knife 4x4. Some of them key have a stretch like rope. Stretch it out with the baking sound.
Yeah man, and whole heap of people are divided online as to whether the song is actually a hit or a miss. Some people are say it sound good, some people are say it don't sound good. And in the midst of this, he actually did a silhouette challenge, little, him no one call it a song, but him do a little track. And people are just trying to figure out, ascertain what is happening with Skillibeng right now. Is he just under some different type of energy where I'm just a release kind of random music? I don't know, but let me know. Do you love this Skillibeng song? Do you think it should have been allowed for him to go and shoot inside of the plane? Sound off below, Burritos. I want to hear from you.
Number 3, Fantan Moja, new image. My word, my sentence, my Rastafari. So, Fantan Moja, you know, him as one of them, you know, Rasta artists, them people there would have got like, show like a rebel salute and represent for, you know, the little Alice Lassie, the little Isle thing there, the little Bob Marley, the little 10 tribe of Judah. Well, anyway, so Fantan Moja now, he has been laying low recently, and I guess this is because he wanted to revamp him image. He never really wanted the regular little, you know, Rastaman walk with the little rubber, you know, the little trad and them little something there. Him did want for kind of sexy up the image, you know, like when Egyptian they'd move from and then go to girl me want feel. Fantan Moja wanted to do that, so he follow suit. So he has a new single that is called Fire King. Now, before me say nothing further, take a look at it.
Anywhere me go, girl get wop wop. At this bubble the girl them girl them call me the Fire King. Man a real man, me no mannequin. Me touch girl hard, make them for me tin. Like Beenie the doc, me we fix them. Girl them call me the Fire King. Man a real man, me no mannequin.
Okay, Fantan Moja, I mean, what's the image? Is not something that is, you know, at the first way I see it. Buju Banton to do that already. As I said, Egyptian and couple other artists have made that transition from like the little article Rasta and take on a more little trendy little, you know, a little image type of Rasta thing. So it's the fans them for decide if they want to work with it. But clearly, we can't tell say, you know, hungry no more. Remember them little real Rasta tune there. Mama hungry, Papa hungry. No, Fanta really I thought about say you have gal and bungla and all of them little things there. Big up yourself here, Fanta and Moja. I can't wait to see the next song. Burritos, let me know. Are you here for this transition? Sound off below. Number 2, mix-up challenge quiz. Alright, so Burritos, I found this video on Instagram now, and it features J Venom and Abo Boss. So them are Instagram, you know, rising social media personalities, and they have come up with a concept that is mix-up challenge quiz, where they have their dream on one team and Pinkwall on another team competing against each other to see like who will come out the victor. Now, I forgot to tell you, so the questions them and a regular school challenge quiz questions. These questions and their answers always have a spin. Take a look.
Welcome to the 2021 Mix-Up Challenge Quiz. We have here Daydream College up against Pinkwall High. I'm your host J Venom, and the action begins now.
Daydream, who is the Prime Minister of Jamaica?
Andrew Holness.
Incorrect. Pinkwall?
Romish.
Correct. Pinkwall, look at the monitor and identify this team.
Team Spice.
Incorrect. Daydream?
Team 2000.
Correct. Daydream, who has the most views on YouTube for 2020?
Cartel.
Wrong. Pinkwall?
Amari.
Correct. Pinkwall, look at the monitor and identify this item.
Vacuum.
Incorrect. Daydream?
Kirby.
Correct. Daydream, listen to the sound and identify the person.
So I got this lingering.
Pretty.
Incorrect. Pinkwall?
Lingari.
Yes. Pinkwall, who is the Ministry of Finance in Jamaica?
Nigel.
Incorrect. Daydream?
Laugh sound.
It's a tie.
Thanks for watching. Big up on your...
So Burritos, that was part 1. Now I have to go and play part 2 so you can see the follow-up to it.
Welcome back. This is the second leg of the Mix-Up Challenge Quiz. We have here Daydream College up against Pinkwall High, and the action begins now.
General knowledge. Daydream, what is the national animal of Jamaica?
Hummingbird.
Incorrect. Pinkwall?
World dog.
Correct. Pinkwall, look at the monitor and identify the gender of this person.
Female.
Incorrect. Daydream?
Hermaphrodite.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Daydream, who parted the Red Sea?
Moses.
Incorrect. Pinkwall?
Akiba.
Correct. Pinkwall, mathematics. What is yam plus head?
Yamed.
Incorrect. Daydream?
Major height.
Correct. Daydream, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Auntie Dana.
Incorrect. Pinkwall?
Mother Olang.
Correct. Chinese language. Pinkwall, translate this in English.
Lava Idam.
Correct.
So I actually found both videos really, really funny. I would encourage you to go and follow the two brothers, them J Venom and Able Boss. So you can see, because I'm sure they're going to do more school challenge quiz videos because the people them I love it. So we expect to see more. Okay, so let me know what you thought of it.
Hi everybody, this is Kystal Tomlinson, author of the book Kill Fear, and you're watching the Dutty Berry social media top 10 countdown. Big up yourself, Dutty Berry, the original fear killer when afraid to talk the things them all when the things that talk about me. I love you same way. Mwah.
And number one goes to Akira. This is Kystal. I mean, I guess mega clap. Woo! Yay! Yeah. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my... Oh God, did I just forget my own entire line? Wait, hold on. My word... Oh, let me try. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Yes, the number one spot goes to Akira dissing her ex-mother? Her... What do you call that? Her stepmama? Her former stepmother? Kystal Tomlinson. Now, let me jump down into this because it is just kind of messy. So... Akira now, who knows that she is Beenie Man's daughter, the one in favor, like Beenie Man literally just photocopy him face and just say, take it to our gene pool. So Akira now, she's probably around like probably 19, 20, you know, I think she's doing university now. And she has been posting lately to social media, especially since the breakup, and a lot of people have been looking to her to see if them can find any little mix up, any little thing, or them can take and go send go Daydream and Tropics and all over. And so Akira now, she recently created YouTube page. I think it's called like the Davis Family Channel or something like that. And on one of these videos, she decided to do a smash or pass. So if you don't know, smash or pass is when them just give you a couple public figures, people, personalities, and you choose whether or not you'd sleep with them. Simple as that. So she took it upon herself now to do a politician themed smash or pass. And you know who was on it? No, Beenie Man, our father, one-time woman, baby mother, Kystal Tomlinson.
She reminds me of Michelle. She has a man body there. She has She not carry the sword. Beat on the husband out. She talk, yeah, she talk. For the female, the husband out. Kira, she could be around, I'm not around.
Oh, okay. Alright. Oh, okay. Alright, so, yeah, so let's just ignore the fact that, one, it's very weird that they're even doing a smash or pass about, you know, like our father, one-time woman, whether or not she would want to smash Kystal. Yeah, that's just kind of weird, first off. But I guess other artists and entertainer, maybe they just felt like, hey, since politicians in Jamaica are so popular, let us do our smash or pass about politicians. Like, I don't know. So many people now took to, you know, Akira's page now and basically I say, yo, you should not say this because Kystal used to take care of you and Kystal used to support you and all of these things. And Akira went on live to, I guess, address, you know, people's feelings.
And they would do whatever. If they want to smash and pass first, how is it Kira is ungrateful?
When I become say it with a nasty if me smash Kystal.
How is it Kira being ungrateful?
No, explain to me how is that
how is it Kira being ungrateful?
My father and Kystal over there for years.
And she used to mind you? No, but we say she not say nothing on behalf of Kystal and Beam. But I'm going to look somebody for drug.
Woman, and show you. Look how much over the years. Woman, how much girl Big Man come.
Look how much. And who am I try drug? Kira. I'm a try drug Kira.
No, alright, here's the thing. No, wanna hear me. Kystal name isn't being dragged. That's why Kystal ignore it. No, be honest with me.
No, you had people dragging her name saying it.
I'm grateful because Kystal used to take care of her.
No, alright.
Kira with her father money.
Ooh.
Thank you.
With our father money.
No, what's the way I do politicians? Somebody said, what's the way I do politicians?
No, boy,
we are debate. Yeah, remember me, I said, don't put her name in there. Then we said, if we don't put her Kystal name, it gonna look weird.
So why? And we were just having fun. We were just having fun and other people.
So
see, we did the last live, a Friday night we did the live.
Yeah.
And people.
And we did it, you know, and we have said politicians, and we have said, we not for put Kystal name. And then we have said, but if we don't put our name, because everyone knows her as a politician, it are going to be so suspicious. It are going to be suspicious. Right? Oh, you never tell me the short of mother. And, wait now. I was like, we'll put our name in there.
And so from that, you can see Akira try to talk about it. Look like, say, I don't know which part of our family, I guess at the mother side of the family, like it full up a one bag, nice, clean, good gal, and them very active and them have them opinion. So much to the point that Akira could barely get a word in. But I guess Akira was just saying, so she was just doing like a fun video, and people are really reading too much into it. So at the moment, Kystal not really got a reply and all kind of things, but I personally find it very interesting, and I guess it speaks to maybe the conversations that are probably happening between Beenie Man and Akira. Maybe they might talk about what actually led to the breakdown. I know naturally, it totally makes sense that the child, the daughter, are going one side with our father, especially that our father the one that have the money. I know if I pick them and the will, if I'm me like Akira, like I would have been playing the same game to come. I don't understand bad, and then Beenie Man go right me out of the will. I mean, if I go fight with Disha and the rest of them feet, no. So I get the little logics there, Akira, but I don't like that. No, since you've been showing yourself on social media, it seems as if you are entering a very messy space, because the social media space, it will nyam you up. When people see you, they are going to be seeing Beenie Man's data. No care what. So anything where you say about the family, if it's not about Teejay, calling anybody, you are going to be spilling family secrets. So just be aware of that and allow that to make you make better decisions when you're putting out content. That's all I'm going to say. So that is it, Berrydos. Let me know what you have to say about this topic. Do you think that, Akira just young and she make like an innocent mistake? Do you think that, she have all right to say what she has said? Sound off below, okay? Well, you've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to leave a comment down below. And do not forget to turn on your post notifications. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. If you want to advertise within the social media countdown, it is very simple. Just to send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. All right, so take care until next time. Ta-ta! Woo.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.